Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the channel again. My name is Dean Fowell, and you are on the YouTube channel here with me, the Engineers HubSpot. So, most of you know I've got another channel where I built a camper and everything, and I belong to a group where we have a lot of DIY camper builds. So question is a couple of guys that are getting Fusion because it was free, right, for a little while. And they wanted to know if they could sketch and make drawings and stuff like that. So yes, you can sketch just in 2D. So we're going to try this. So here I've got my data panel. I'll close my data panel. I'm just going to go new design. I'm going to save this 2D sketch test. Oh shoot, just change this to 2. And I'm going to save, right? So there we go. I'm just going to close that tab out. 2D sketch test version 1. Here's my name views. We've discussed that in some of the other videos. Units, if you want to change from metric to imperial. So basically just come in here and create a sketch. So I'm going to click on here on this plane, right? So you can see there's my sketch and my trees, and we just start sketching. So I don't know, so basically if I was going to build a camp or something, I could go in here and go, all right, let's go 72, right? Then I'll just fit into the window, make another sketch line. And there we've got our sketch. Right, and then you can sketch other things in here. So say for example you want to put your kitchen in here on this side, you can come in, put in some dimensions, right? .32. And then got some dimensions on here, right? So they're all black because they're all defined. I can go, oh, maybe we'll put something in here. Okay, maybe that's where we're going to put our sink, right? So we can come back in, mention that. Then we can come off here and then come off here, so we can sort of define the sketch. Right, so there's a sketch. I can go finish sketch, and you can see there's my view here. I then can come and go design, drawing from design. Hit OK. We're going to go top, visible edges, click there, hit OK. Alright. Oh, it's a little bit big, but it's in 2D, so you can click on this. scale. 1 to 4. Trees, 1 day. Right. See my sketch there, and then you can come in and add dimensions. There we go. You can see my sketch. You can add notes, you can modify. But this really, you know, everything I do, I would do it in 3D anyway, but you can sketch and make something up here in 2D. Alright, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and give us a thumbs up, leave some questions if you have anything. Cheers.